So my name is Karina Nair. I am based in Washington, D.C., USA. It's not like my mom's roti. I have to say that, but you don't want anything to taste like your mom's roti anyway. You have to let that go. It just has to go. You can't always ask mommy to make rotis for you. If you can live with that, then I mean, it's a great asset. It helps your day-to-day life. You're able to get fresh rotis. You don't have to buy store rotis with preservatives. So why not? I mean, I'll be very honest. My mom has stopped making roti every time she comes here. I haven't had my mom's roti since I've had Rotimatic. Because my mom prefers that roti herself, because she's like, I don't know, make it, I'm fine with this. It all depends on the family, how you like your rotis. So by the time we are ready to eat, it's nice and soft for us, and that's how we love it. So I'm quite happy with it. If I had to give it out of 10, I would definitely give it an 8. And only because we know that it cannot be left. I mean, it gets a little harder. But then again, when you have a robot who's making you rotis, why would you want to have leftover rotis anyway? So, but yes, if you want to take it for lunch, it's not the same. But if you're having it fresh, I think it's perfect.